Hello everybody, this is Matador again from freetradingvideos.com. It's still the 26th, it's still Friday, and it is a summer Friday by definition. Look at this consolidation. Nice gap down this morning and then a run back up to fill that gap perfectly. Good sell-off back down to support, 100% retracement of that move. Often leads to a lower swing high, which we did see. You can mark that with a nice trend line. And this whole thing then sells off to, again, an amazing support level at 91.50 again and again and again all day long. And this descending triangle intraday on a little 3-minute chart can be seen. We finally did break it a couple times, but in earnest, one good time here. Came back up as resistance. Now we're seeing a bit of a symmetrical triangle. With the TRIN at 1.81, it was 2.02 at another level. And the TRIN, however, Q, is a major divergence now between that. So that doesn't quite match. We'll have to see what happens with this. But that's, again, part of consolidation behavior. Tick has been above and below zero all day long. And the bank, let's just go through it. Almost an identical pattern of the broad markets, so nothing much to note there. And if you read the news, let me just grab this Yahoo Finance. They say stocks fall as savings rate jumps. So people are saving money instead of spending it. Investors are nervous about that. Longer term, that seems like a great thing to me. People are saving their money and maybe being more careful about how they spend in the future. That to me seems like a fantastic idea. Going forward, that might even give us more of a stable, longer-term growth. But that's just me in a soapbox. So, back to the S&P 500, right at 91.50 again. All day long have been watching this number. So they say stocks are falling, but if you look at a longer-term time frame, even a 15-minute chart, this is a beautiful run-up. High base into the close. Today, a little bit of a gap down, like we talked about. Just a small minor bleed out, but this in context is a beautiful high base right into resistance that we had already defined. This declining 100 MA, the 200 MA on a 60-minute chart, all this price resistance out of this gap, it's not unlikely to see some kind of pullback like this or a consolidation at this level of resistance. So call it what you want. We know where the resistance is. I wouldn't want to necessarily go long in the face of that until I could get good confirmation with the broad market internals. And on a summer Friday, that's a little bit to ask for. To go short, a little bit much to ask for as well, with the trends not confirming each other. But if it did fail that level, I would be looking for support at the 91 area, where the 200 and the 50 and the round number of 91 are all kind of coinciding. So that's some good support. Seeing a little bit of a bounce here. Again, with this trend levels now being divergent. So great stuff. And a whole while this has had declining volume. So you can see these things, they all come in together, and we'll go forward from there. So great stuff. Look forward to D7's video this evening, and it's been great talking to everybody in the chat room. A lot of fun. So keep it up, everybody. Talk to you soon.